Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use nano bubble tape. First, gather your materials, including the tape, scissors, and your chosen items. Make sure your surfaces are completely clean and dry for optimal adhesion. Cut the tape to the exact length you need, typically a few inches for small items. Then, gently peel away one side of the protective film, exposing the adhesive. Now, press the exposed adhesive side of the tape firmly onto your first surface. Apply steady, even pressure for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. This step is crucial for maximum stickiness. Once the first side is secure, carefully peel off the second protective film, revealing the other adhesive surface. With both sides of the tape exposed, carefully align your item before pressing it down. Once positioned, press the item onto the tape with firm, consistent pressure. Hold it in place for at least 1 minute. For heavier objects, consider using multiple strips of tape or a wider piece to distribute the weight evenly. When you need to remove an item, gently twist and pull it away from the tape. To reuse the tape, carefully peel it off the surface. Wash the tape with warm water and a small amount of mild soap. Let it air dry completely on a clean, non-porous surface. It will regain its stickiness for future projects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.